Baby.
These are the main ingredients to make the best Cayman Islands marinated conch. With crackers.
Saltine crackers.
They good though.
Imagine places like Bahamas and they got endless conchs over there. Conch for days.
They cut up the yellow bark of Bahamas too.
Oh, they do?
But you know, you're actually blocking me now, you know. This is like totally uncalled for now.
That boy who brought that one there that you had like the 2 inches there? For real? Cause you glad you didn't buy it?
No, but I like the boat still. I hate changing out the motors now. I want to say bow, but not bow, man.
But I got a pizza onion and I swallowed the fuck out of it. I didn't even bite on him, I just swallowed him, you know. I feel like I think might bring up. It'll be a sin, you know.
One more year, how good. Hospital and get an injection, your dick get him now.
Cause that onion.
But if that onion won't do to me, right, I'd rather have a limp dick.
You see baby walk.
Baby went around and showed off everything inside the air for doing. That way he only take a couple of runs.
But he not tell me nothing, and he not say nothing about it. You know.
That way he only can take a couple of runs because start overheating.
That boy.
What is he? This MC's it?
No, you didn't know you tried it today.